My name is Arisha, and these are my group members, Kamil Salim and Anusha Asad. We're presenting for the course Introduction to Islamic Banking under the supervision of Dr. Zubair Ahmed. Next slide. Today we'll walk you through our analysis of Dubai Islamic Bank. We'll focus on their strategic positioning, key Islamic finance products, and overall Sharia compliance framework. So let's begin. First, we have abstract and core objectives. Next slide. Our objective was to evaluate Dubai Islamic Bank as one of the earliest fully established Islamic commercial banks and assess its position in today's financial system. We focused mainly on their core Islamic finance products like Mudarba, Murabaha, Musharaka, Ijara, and Sukuk structures, along with their Sharia governance framework. And we used secondary sources such as financial reports and academic literature. Our key takeaway is that while DIB is a pioneer in Islamic banking, it still faces efficiency challenges and must continue innovating to stay competitive long term. Next slide. So to understand DIB, we need the UAE context, which is a global financial hub where Islamic and conventional banking operate side by side. Dubai Islamic Bank was established in 1975 as the world's first full-fledged Islamic commercial bank. Today it holds a strong position in the UAE banking sector with a diverse customer base and solid institutional support from regulators. Next slide. The bank is led by Chairman Muhammad Said Ahmed Abdullah Al Sharif and the CEO is Muhammad Ali Gul Faraz. And their strategic focus is maintaining strong Sharia compliance while ensuring the bank stays modern and competitive in a rapidly evolving financial market. Next, we have Kandil.
Okay, for now we're moving on. This slide we will see the history and the growth. It's for Anusha. Anusha will continue.
Yes. Kandil, please bring the previous slide.
Okay, yeah. Here you go.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Anusha and today I'm going to talk about shed some light over Dubai Islamic Bank. So first of all, we're going to discuss the difference between compliance and how their compliance is also affecting their efficiency. Since Dubai Islamic follows a very strict Sharia compliance code, it does affect their efficiency since it scores lower than traditional banking rivals in operational efficiency. This is because to maintain a strict Islamic system, they do require higher costs, which automatically affect their efficiency. Next slide, please. Now we're going to shed some light on basic principles of Islamic finance that DIB is fulfilling completely. First of all, there is no riba in practices of Dubai Islamic Bank. Secondly, they completely prohibit any sort of uncertainty. And thirdly, they operate from a very positive and very ethical code of conduct. Next slide please. And their key model is also Murabba, which is they basically how they get rid of loan. They acquire the asset, then they put their own cost to it, and then they sell it again. And in this way, they are completely get rid of riba in their dealings. Thank you. Now, Kandil is going to present.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Sam Kandil, and today we will be looking at the history and the growth of Dubai Islamic Bank. Dubai Islamic Bank was founded in 1975 and became the world's first full-service Islamic commercial bank. In 2020, it became a market leader in UAE during the 2008 financial crisis came and DIB showed a strong stability. And in 2020, it expanded further by acquiring Noor Bank. Overall, DIB has played a major role in the growth and Islamic banking. Now moving on next slide. This slide explains the main services provided by the DIB. The bank offers personal, home, vehicle financing using Islamic models like Muraba, Musharaka and Ijara. In the corporate banking, DIB provides investment accounts, trade finance, based services. All these services are designed according to the Sharia principle instead of interest-based banking like for the conventional banks. Moving on with another slide, slide number 13, which is the comparison between DIB with the Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank. Now, DIB is known as a global leader with a large asset base, while Abu Dhabi Bank focuses more on the digital innovation and customer services. The slide also highlights that Islamic Bank should improve technical efficiency, promote participatory financial models, and create more awareness about Islamic banking services. Now, moving on with the efficiency and innovation slide. This slide discusses the challenges. The major challenges include the high monitoring costs, information gap, and over reliance on the Muraba financing. However, digital innovation is helping banks improve through mobile banking, digital Muraba system, and technological based investment screening. These innovations are making Islamic banking more modern and efficient. Thank you. This is all from our side.